Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Today, guys, I will be unboxing this Ghost perfume collection. It's a mini perfume collection, guys. And basically, we will see if we like it or if we don't like it. I already had, one of those there before, so it's pretty nice. But these two, I never experienced it. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's open this box. So Ghost. Have you ever guys had a Ghost perfume? Ooh, they are so nice. Look at this type of situation. Isn't it nice, guys? Like I just feel it's so beautiful. Like I think I had this one before. I have never had that one, never had that one, and I never had that one too. Or maybe I had that one before. I don't remember which one is original. Let's see, guys. I really like the way it looks. Okay, let's see. Let's take this one. Let's take it, guys. This this is just so cute. So cute. Okay, so first one, what's that one? I don't know. I don't know what's the name, guys, but it's whatever it is. Like it's like let's open. Let's open. It's a bit difficult to open. How to? Oh, okay. Hmm. Hmm. So this perfume, it's a ghost. I think it's original ghost, guys. I remember, guys, very well. I remember this perfume, guys, is quite good. Like, it's much better, maybe even than those Armani C. It's much better, guys. This perfume. I remember one person was wearing this perfume, guys, and I had to give her compliments because I was feeling her perfume all over, guys. And I thought that she's wearing some kind of expensive perfume, but then she told me she's wearing Ghost, and I was very surprised. I remember these Ghost perfumes are quite economic, guys. I really like this. I think I really like this perfume. Whew, guys, this is great. So we already tried this perfume. It's difficult to explain how it smells like. What's the name of this particular perfume? So there is Ghost the fragrance purity, Ghost the fragrance. I think this is the one. Is Ghost the fragrance, and then there is Ghost fragrance purity, and then Ghost deep night, and then Ghost orb of night. So I don't know which one is which, guys, but this perfume, guys, it smells feminine. You have to smell by yourself original, Ghost to see what it is. It's kind of, smells a musky type of sweet, feminine, feminine. It smells feminine, musky, sweet, that's how it smells like. It's quite, character. Ghost has some type of its own character. What do I have? I think I have Ghost the Purity. I have never, guys, yet tried Ghost the Purity before. I like that the bottle is kind of transparent, Ooh. I really like this one. I have never, guys, seen Ghost Purity. It smells more sweet. So this one smells more musky, but original, but this one, it smells more sweet and citrusy. It's as if, like, let's say the original Ghost would be mixed with apple by DKNY, that has that type of sweetness, or but much better than apple by DKNY, much better. I really like this perfume, guys. That's like the first type of discovery. I never seen that they would sell it, Ghost the Purity. I really like that vanilla type of citrusy sweetness that it has, really feminine, really thumbs up, guys, for this one, Purity. Really like it, guys, really like this perfume. Okay, so right now, guys, we already tried. Let's put it back. Let's just put it back somehow. So we already tried original, we already tried Purity. I really like it, guys. It also kind of opens in a soapy way as well. What's this one? Let's take it. What's this one? I would assume it's Ghost D. What would that be? I don't know which one. Which one, guys? Is this like a? I cannot read it. Like it's either Ghost Deep by Night or Ghost Orb by Night. So I don't know which one, guys. It's very small letters. It's quite soapy, that purity, you know. Okay. Ooh, okay, so we are trying this one now in this orange type of. I like that it's in the moon shape. Little bit not as nice. Little bit cheap. Sweet. Reminded me of those Ariana Grande perfumes, you know, those type of bubbly sweet. Bubbly sweet, like nothing special. Bubbly sweet. With some citrus. I don't like this perfume too much. It smells cheap, you know, that's what I would say about this one. It smells worse than Lady Million, you know, that type of situation. But it had that type of Lady Million vibe, so let's open this. Let's take this perfume. Yes, I'm going to take this. So, this perfume. So that orangey, guys, was pretty cheap. What's that one? You know, could be, I don't know what's this one, guys. So I don't understand what's that one. It's a moon, dark moon. Okay. So this one is dark moon. So it reminds me, this one is less sweet than that orangey, but it's very type of weak, you know. It's very weak. I don't like, there is some kind of sweetness, guys, but it's very weak. You know, that's what I would say, guys. It's very weak. Like, as if it would be Carolina Herrera, but, you know, very weak. So weak and cheap smelling, you know, cheap. You know, they both, to me, seems to be cheap smelling. They, you know, that's why they are similar. But they are not exactly the same. It's just simply so cheap smelling. And now, you know, I really liked this. I really liked, from all of those guys, I like this one because it's original Ghost. And then I like that one because it has nice sweetness. But guys, it doesn't last long. It's disappearing, you know, that sweetness is disappearing. Like, for example, you know, like if you want to treat yourself, like you could buy them, but like it's not gonna surprise you too much, you know. But it's very nice to keep it in your bag because the shape is so nice. So I mean, like, you know, to spray it sometimes it's not too bad, isn't it? I think, guys, they are a little bit weak in my opinion. So if I would need to buy, guys, I would choose either this or this. I wouldn't choose them. So, you know, those two. This one, it got pretty weak later on, but this one is original. I know that it lasts quite well, you know. I know because, you know, one person was wearing it, and I remember that it smelled quite luxurious, guys. That's all what I would like to say. That's that type of small review. I wish you guys to have a fantastic day. Do you like Ghost perfume, guys? Let me know what you think. I will be back to you soon, and like this video so we can meet each other again, and have a great day, guys. Bye bye.